cause we have been out in foreign days. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl gang? It's Princess Layah. I'm back with another video. So today, you guys, I'm doing I don't really want to call this a makeup tutorial because I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do makeup tutorials, honestly. And I'm really just doing this because I'm trying to practice some makeup looks for a very important event I have coming up this weekend. Well, this week, because it's on Friday, so I really ain't got a lot of time. I just went to Ulta and I got some new foundation. And y'all, I'm so freaking wait, hold on, wait a minute. Before we get to this video, make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so y'all get my videos as soon as I drop. As y'all can see, I got my backdrop going on, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all used to the pink background, but baby, that wall is about to get painted very soon. So this is a temporary backdrop that I have for right now, just so you guys can more so focus on me instead of my background. Soraya is behind the backdrop, just in case if y'all might hear some sounds going on or whatever. That is her behind me. So Ulta, I'm so excited because I just got some new foundation. I'm not gonna say I'm on the cheap side when it comes to foundations because I really can't put anything in my face, but I'm more so like on the less expensive side when it comes to foundation. I usually do like MAC or NARS. Lately I've been on the NARS, and then when I ran out of NARS, I went to the drugstore and I just got some Revlon color stay, and so that's kind of like what I've been using or whatever. But I was like, it don't give me enough coverage and it's not as matte as I would like it to be. So I actually went to Ulta today and I got matched professionally by one of the beauty advisors there, and she gave me the perfect, I'm telling y'all, she knew my skin tone and everything. So I'm just doing like a mini haul real quick with y'all, and then we'll go into the look. The look that I'm actually going to be doing is for one of my outfits that I'm going to be wearing for this event. But okay, so I got me a Real Techniques makeup brush, you guys, and this is the Insta Pop Face. I needed something, you know, something new for my foundation application. I also got me a new concealer brush for my eyebrows and just like concealer and stuff like that, because I have a couple but I feel like they wear out. I don't know, but this is by Morphe, and I love Morph's products. I'm definitely, when it comes to brushes, I'm always like going to either Real Techniques or Morphe, or sometimes Sephora, because Sephora does have really good brushes. Then I got another Real Techniques. This is the Miracle Air Blend Sponge, and it gives a natural matte finish, and this is something that I really needed, and it says medium to full coverage. I didn't even realize that it makes a difference the type of sponges that you use. I didn't know that these types of sponges actually give you certain coverages that you're looking for and certain blends. I know beauty blenders definitely help with blending, but I didn't realize how much of a good essential this is to your makeup kit. Like, I feel like it's so good. And then I also got one of the MAC lipsticks. Now, I don't really wear lipsticks a lot. I'm more of like a lip liner, lip gloss type of girl. Lately, that's kind of what I've been doing, and I'll do like a pink, like I'll show y'all. But I used to wear a lot of MAC lipsticks, and I didn't want to just I just didn't want to spend money just because I know I'm gonna wear it all the time. But for this specific look that I'm going for, I did get the Velvet Teddy lipstick. I was gonna get Honey Love because I was going for more of a nude look, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with the Velvet Teddy, because the Velvet Teddy, they came in the mini size. So I was like, let me just do this because it's nude too, but it's not as nude as the Honey Love in my opinion. Okay, so then y'all, hold on, wait. I got my foundation, you guys. I'm so excited to use this. This is the Lancome Paris, and it's up to 24-hour color wear and comfort, full coverage, and this is in the color, it says transfer resistant. I'm guessing that means like it doesn't get on things, or it doesn't get on like clothing and stuff like that. It's oil free. I don't know what color this is. I guess it's called Suede C. 530 is my color, and it matches perfectly, y'all. OMG. So yeah, this is a matte finish as well. So yeah, I also kind of wanted to do something different, like with the technique of how I do my makeup, because I usually always start in a certain type of order, but I want to do it different this time, and I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. Of course, I always do that, but when I tell y'all this is what I be using on my lips, I use the color of the CoverGirl and the color, I don't know what color this is, it just says 100, but it's like a really pink nude. Oh, I just love this. Oh my god. So So we finna get into it, y'all. I'm really not good at angles when it comes to makeup, but I really want to get these looks right. So I'm gonna be more so focused in the mirror, but I'll show you guys. Just like I said, this is not a makeup tutorial because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just doing this for my own personal, you know, need. I'll definitely be more so in the mirror and just kind of like back and forth showing y'all like how I'm getting it done, because I can't do my eyebrows from here because first of all I have bad vision, it's very blurry, so I have to be able to like look in the mirror and like really focus and get into it. So just bear with me now, because I know y'all like, I want to see how she did that, I want the deets, but girl, oh, my lips are dry. That is not cute, baby. So I'm gonna try to give y'all as much as I can. I'm just gonna go over my eyebrows a little bit, just darken them just a little bit, and just give the girls a little bow. She's listening to something on her eye. Okay, this is not how my eyebrows gonna look, so just know that this is not it. Yeah, because all that's gonna get cleaned up. But let me get my, because my face is so like, yeah. And that is my Milani Prep and Finish Rose Water. Yeah.
And I'll bring pencils for everybody.
This girl is so goofy.
And I will bring pencils for everybody.
Okay, you guys, so this is how my eyebrows look right now. Of course, I'm going to blend and get this together, but I'm going to be using my NARS. It's in walnut, and this is a concealer. And yes, I'm going to be using my new Morph brush, bitch, because we lit. These brushes take a minute to like break into, so yeah. My eyebrows never come out the same, and I hate it. I hate that for me. I hate it. Okay, now I'm about to do the top, and usually when I do the top, I always just use my regular foundation that I would use. So we're gonna start with that, because I don't like the halo look. I just love this foundation. Okay, y'all, my brows don't be perfect, but I be getting them. So annoyed. My brows never really come out the exact way I want them to. That's why I just be like, oh my god. But brows takes a lot of practice and a lot of patience. But I'm loving this foundation. So now that I have my brows somewhat to my liking, which I can always go back and tweak them however I want, but at least they're somewhat to where I like them to be, I'm going to actually do something very natural. I did save a couple of looks that I liked on Instagram, so let's see. So this look, I'm more so going to be focusing on my, like, just my face, my actual like foundation, but this is somewhat of the look that I'm going for, and I'm also going to be putting on the contacts so I can see how it looks with contacts. But so yeah, so with this look, I'm going to start off with just some really, where's my makeup palette? Gotta get all my shit together. Where's my shade? Where's my fucking shadow? So I'm going to do, like I said, this eye is going to be really, what's up?
Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is the road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
I got one lawyer, got one in that day, it's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the bills or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles, I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle, I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and extra time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey. Yeah, but I can think my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your hands, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, yeah. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers. And we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there is the only two. Man, how many times have I shown it through? Man, how many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road. Okay, funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose. Okay, soon as you.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Eva,
What?
what did you do?
What do you mean what I do? Tell Nara to come here.
Your eyes are blue.
They look more like gray.
Nene!
Don't tell her yet. Just tell her.
Eva told you to come.
I don't like how the glitter is like everywhere. I don't like that. I like that. Wait, watch out, Sarah. Let Nara get right there. Yeah, what's up?
Do you notice anything about her?
The only thing I notice about her is her eyes.
I have on contacts.
Why?
Well, they help me see better for one, but you
I
know,
like
just
contacts. I wish I had contacts.
Yeah, but your vision is not blurry like mine.
Wait, can you take them out?
I can take them out.
I want to see.
I can't do it right now, girl. So I'll take these out. Anyways, you guys, so this is the finished look. I was gonna do a look
What if you don't see well and you put them on?
Well, I'm supposed to wear glasses, but sometimes contacts are just more of a aesthetic, especially when I get the color. But I can wear contacts too instead, just so that I can see.
So like, what if like somebody just wears it just to wear it?
Yeah, you can wear it just to wear it. But yeah, so this is the finished look. Sometimes I like to like touch up. I don't like the whole glitter specs. The glitter, the highlight kind of got all over the place. It's not supposed to look like that because I used the wrong highlight. But I'm gonna like. So right, it's time for you to take your shower and get in the bed.
That's what I'm about to do. I'm tired.
I thought you took your shower already. You gonna take a
Yeah, I
nap?
already did take a shower.
So yeah, that's just to add more don't to it. But yeah, girl, this is the finished look and I love it a lot. It's like I said, it's really natural. I feel like the contacts just added more of, you know, a vibe to it or whatever. And then too, these are prescription contacts. As you guys can see, it does have my prescription on the box. And I'm blind, y'all. I'm 75 in this eye and I'm 125 in this eye. So yeah, but I'm gonna get a few pictures. And yeah, you guys, I really like this look. Comment below if you like it with or without the contacts. I mean, me personally, I love my natural eye color just because I feel like I have very distinctive eyes, and you know, my eyes slant. So like anytime, you know, people are looking into my eyes, I feel like they, you know, my eyes really give off a vibe. And I really love my eyes. But I feel like these add, you know, these are cute too. I feel like for the weekend it could be a look. I don't know if I could get used to it. If I get tired of it, I might take them out, because I don't know, I might end up taking them out, to be honest with y'all, because I just want to deal with my own eyes. But yeah, so comment below, let me know what y'all think, and we're gonna see y'all in the next video. Oh my god,
Pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you are not bad and don't get it back, then you cannot sit with